Kabilaan, napapalibutan po kami ng dagat.
So guys, sobrang init dito eh. Hey doggy! Simuha na muna tayo.
See the light where the sky used to see, it calls me. See the light or the sky you can see. My picture. My iPhone.
So Joey, anong mauna daw? Pampato Reef, Luli Island, Starfish Island, then Kauri Island. Yan ang po ba yung Kauri Island?
Ay, siya yung panguna.
15 minutes lang mula doon hanggang dito.
Ayun na nga na si Captain.
Ito na po yung kapitan. Kayo na po ang bala sa guest.
Galing po.
Mababait po yan.
Pagtulog.
Ban?
Bye po.
Sunny days and ocean blue, waves are calling me and you. Surfboard ready, time to ride. Feel the freedom, feel the tide.
guys, let's go here. Uy, ang daming ano. Dito, sinuting yung crocodile. Uy, lalo. Adang. Pag low tide. Ayun na, may malaking ahas. Guys, meron akong nakita na umang. Look at this. Pumasok. Ayan o, ayan o. Naglalakad sila. Ayan na, may umang o.
Ano yan?
Umang.
Uunga?
Umang. Ayan o, nagagalaw na o. Hello. Oh my goodness. Ate, oh. Yung umang ba?
We're walking on the beach now, just you and me. Golden sand beneath our feet, so wide and free. The waves are singing softly, a melody, and I feel your hand in mine so naturally. Oh, the sun is setting low, and the world feels like it's slow. All I need is you here with me on the beach, just you and me. You and me on the beach, where we can just be free. The ocean breeze and the moonlit night feels so right, feels so right. You and me on the beach, forever you and me. We'll dance through the night, feel the tide, side by side, side by side. The stars are shining bright, a perfect view. I see the love in your eyes, so true. We laugh and talk for hours, just us two in this.
Let's eat.